Hi everyone! Today we are going to the Kanda festival. Let's go! Before we dive into all the fun and excitement of the Kanda Matsuri, let's take a moment to learn about its fascinating history and culture importance. The Kanda Matsuri festival takes place every 2 years at the Kanda Myojin Shrine at Akihabara. Due to its size and splendor, this festival is not only considered one of Tokyo's 3 big festivals, but also one of the 3 biggest festivals in Japan. In this video, I would like to introduce you to the charm of the Kanda Matsuri festival, which I experienced this year for the first time. When Edo became the center of the Japan 400 years ago, the Tokugawa shogun declared the Kanda district in the Tokyo the city of commerce. At the time, various industries settled in Kanda such as wood processing, blacksmithing, dyeing, and green process. Kanda Matsuri festival takes place every 2 years. During that time, the residents of the neighborhoods thank gods of the Kanda Myojin Shrine for their successful business and pray for prosperity.
Now we are on the way to the Kanda festival. Look, there's so many people. Come on, let's go!
The inhabitants of 108 neighborhoods carry over 200 mikoshi to the Kanda Myojin Shrine. Every mikoshi holds a shintai. These are Kanda's deities that high priest of the Kanda Myojin Shrine has previously transferred to the mikoshi. Residents of the neighborhood now carry the hotel shrine to the Kanda Myojin Shrine to return the deities. During the mikoshi parade in Akihabara, washo, seya, sa, are typical festival chess calls. Women also join and carry the 2 tons of mikoshi. There was a mikoshi carried only by small children, which was so cute. Now let's continue our exploration of the Kanda Matsuri. Food is also the major part of the Matsuri. Yatai or food stores selling various kinds of Japanese dishes like takoyaki, yakisoba, and Japanese beer can be seen near the shrine. The neighborhood associations cheers on the participants and hand them the drinks and also the onigiri. Oh, you can't miss out the ohayashi. Ohayashi is a type of traditional Japanese music that is typically played during the festival and ceremonies. If you still have time, come back to the entrance of Kanda Myojin at the end of the day to watch the return of the Mikoshi. The surroundings of the wonderful Jishin Mon Gate at dusk become especially lively. The absolute highlight is when the portable shrine arrives on the ground of the Kanda Myojin shrine. This is where the Miya-iri takes place. Accompanied by loud cheering and applause, the Mikoshi is lowered in front of the main hall of the shrine. At Miya-iri, a static count. Sometimes the group need 2 or 3 to try until the Miya-iri is a success. The Mikoshi leader alone decided when his group is successful. With 2 wooden blocks, he gives instruction on how to move the Mikoshi. If the group has become one, in his opinions, the attempt is considered a success. I hope you don't miss this highlight. It's an amazing sight you can really feel when the Mikoshi group becomes one with their mind and soul.
お祓いを執り行います。はい、神職さん前に出てきてください。お直りください。それでは会長様と皆様で神田明神様にお参りをいただきます。それではおめでとうございます。
That's all for today. We blog about Kanda Matsuri. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the Kanda Matsuri. I hope you enjoy the experience, the sight and sound of the Kanda Matsuri with me. If you have any questions or comment about the Kanda Matsuri, please leave the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting vlog from Talk in Japan. See ya!